How to record audio in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open utilities and then click on voice memos. After clicking on voice memos, here you can record your audio. Then if you want to record audio, then simply click on this red icon and your audio will be start recording. This is the example to start audio recording, and if you want to stop this recording, then simply click on this button again and it will be stopped, and here you can play your recording and your audio will be. And if you want to share it, then simply click on this three dots icon and then click on share. Here you can share while using AirDrop, WhatsApp, Snap. And if you want to edit recording, then simply click on edit, copy and duplicate, add to favorite, move to folders and save in files. So this is the way to record audio in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.